against US dollar yesterday has not moved too much because we can see that price formed this small bearish candle body with a wick on the upper side with the same size of the wick on the lower side. It is right here at the demand zone around support 2390.94. We can see that the price could not make any kind of a movement, some kind of a bullish or bearish breakout. First of all, a bearish breakout did not happen around this demand zone, where the price has reached the lower side of this demand zone where the buys are located, and then we can see the price returned all the way back up, trying to make also some kind of a bullish breakout above this resistance level, which is 2415.15 price level on the daily time frame. Currently, we can see that the price in the last 3 days, before that the price has gone down all the way in the previous week. So yesterday the candle has shown this indecision on the market. This means there is no clear information what is the strength of the current market, of the buyers and also the sellers. So for now, for the daily time frame, we need to wait to see where the price will make some kind of a bullish or bearish breakout. For now, what I can see currently, the price is forming bearish candles. We can see it is small bearish candle body, but it is much more likely that I could see that the price could make some kind of a bearish breakout. But first of all, it is the best to go to the lower time frames, which will show us much faster where is the breakout happening. Is it a bullish breakout or is it bullish or bearish breakout? Now, first of all, what we can see here, we have here a 4-hour time frame levels, and this is the daily level that we have talked about. So the price needs to have a clear information where the price will make a breakout. So we can see this is the supply zone, this is the demand zone. When the price makes some kind of a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, it will be some kind of a signal where the price could go in the future. Now, for the 4-hour time frame, we have also 1-hour time frame, which shows us what are the levels on the lower time frames, so we can also track what is the price doing during the day. So for all of these details, how the price behaves during the day, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders when the breakout happens, and also what will be the trigger where the price could go in the future. Will the price go bullish all the way here as a first resistance level, or it will go down making a bearish breakout where the next level will be, where the price could stop is around this price level, which is around 2379, and also the price level around 2376. So this is a small area where is the sellers, where are the buyers waiting, but also where the sellers could get out from their trades that push the price below this support level, making a bearish breakout. This is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.